So today we are going to learn how to build a miniature birdhouse for birds like hummingbirds or small little chickadees. So this is it. Stop it. Stop the camera. So first step in making this miniature birdhouse is to measure the wood and cut all of your pieces out of the house. So what we did here is we measured this plank of wood and we got a 6 by 5 inch plank for the walls and the base of the house. And then you're going to want to leave 1/8 of an inch, if you get closer you can see the 1/8 of an inch, for the width of the blade, to account for the width of the blade. The base and the two side pieces of the miniature birdhouse. One done. Two done. Three done. After making your cuts, you're going to want to sand down the walls and the roof of the birdhouse so you have even sides to connect them while you're building your house. Here we are taking the measurements for the roof. So we're measuring the base and the two walls to see how long each side of the roof should be, because we wanted to make a triangle. So here we are cutting the walls of the front and back walls of the birdhouse. Again, make sure you leave 1/8 of an inch in between each cut so you account for the width of the blade. Here we are making the front and back walls and the side walls the same height so the roof fits on evenly. Perfect. So now you're going to want to drill or draw on your base plate the pilot holes of where you're going to drill the holes to put your walls into the birdhouse. As you can see, we've measured 1/2 inch away from the board, which is the thickness of the wall, so we can screw the screws into the birdhouse so the walls will stay. When drilling into the base plate, don't forget to clamp it on your work so it doesn't move around the work table. Here we are drilling the holes for the base plate and the side walls of the birdhouse. Remember to always drill holes for the top piece as well, so it matches with the bottom. We are now drilling the roof together. Remember, if you hear cracking, stop drilling. Drilling the roof on is the hardest part of the project. You want to make sure you don't split the wood while keeping the roof at a perfect angle for the birds to enter the birdhouse.
Yeah.
When drilling the front circle, make sure you use a wood boring bit so you can get the perfect diameter of a circle for the birds to enter.
Oh God!
Remember to always, after drilling the hole for the birds to enter, remember to always sand it so their feathers don't get caught on the harsh wooden splinters. After building the final birdhouse, you want to make sure you sand every single part of the birdhouse so it gives it that nice, polished, clean, finished look. Ready?
Yeah.
After building and sanding the rest of the birdhouse, you have the option to decorate and make it as friendly as possible to the birds. This way, the birds will be attracted to the birdhouse and want to come and live there. After decorating the house, you have the option to put in a little footrest for the birds. So when they come, they can just rest right here on this pole that I'm going to insert, and then eat their food out of this hole. Here is our final birdhouse.